Want to explore a little Tampa with me? Come check out my favorite local park, Carrollwood Village Park. I'm Janina, your local Tampa real estate bestie. Grab your cafecito and let's get into it.
Welcome to this Carrollwood hidden gem in Carrollwood Village Park. Parking is free here, which we love, right? And they've thought of everything. There's a bike repair station, clean bathrooms, water fountains, and plenty of picnic tables. We even had this cute family of ducks stop by and say hi.
Hey, wait for me!
For my families with kids, you're gonna love this splash pad. It's spacious, there's plenty of areas, there's 2 different splash pads. It's a perfect way to cool off on our classic Tampa sunny days. Just make sure to pack some towels and maybe a change of clothes. I love how calm and quiet it feels here. Whether you want to read a book under the trees, have a picnic with friends, take a walk to clear your mind, or go for a run, this place is perfect for all of it. Coming up is my favorite spot of the whole park, the bridge. It's one of my favorites because it has the best view of the lake, and honestly, it just makes you want to slow down for a second and take it all in.
One of the many things I love about this park is the view. Check out the water. This park is super family friendly. They have a water park, there's a dog park, so it's dog friendly. And for my runners, it's a great place to come run, jog, walk. I love to come out here and run in the cooler months. It's a little warm right now in July, but it's actually a nice breezy day. And let's check out that view one more time.
As you walk throughout the park, you'll see these swinging benches throughout, which are always fun to hang out on. And your picnic tables. If you're feeling a little energetic, it has a whole fitness area and, taking you back to your kid days, a whole obstacle course for adults or kids to hang out and play. For my dog parents, here is the dog park. It's pretty big and really nice, and it's split into 2 areas for big dogs and small dogs, so everyone gets to run around and make new buddies safely. There's also a shaded area with benches on each side, so if it's a little too hot, you can hang out in the shaded area. On the right-hand side, the house-looking thing, that's one of the restrooms and water fountains. And over to the right, next to the other side of the dog park, there's even more parking, so parking is never an issue. Now we're halfway through the park, and I wanted to take you through another favorite of mine. It's the more serene, nature-esque, if you will. You can truly appreciate the pond or the lake from this area. And then this side takes you through a little trail, lots of trees. It's truly very peaceful and serene. There's also a side entrance. It has a little bridge. It's kind of hidden. I'm about to walk you through. But if you head across this little side bridge, there's even more. Just steps to the right is my favorite New York bagel shop and coffee shop. I will have to do a separate video on those because they really are some hidden gems here in Carrollwood. So if you go across the street here, there is a basketball court. And hey, God bless America. I'm actually filming this the day before the 4th, so happy 4th of July. If you keep walking, there is a tennis court and a small little gazebo to hang out. I wouldn't say you could have big gatherings there, but it's definitely a nice little spot if you wanted to read or just have a quiet, peaceful moment.
that's all I have for you today. I am literally melting. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If there are any other places in Tampa that you'd like me to visit, leave them in the comments below. And until next time, bye!